Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Neetu and you are watching English Talk Corner. In today's video, I am going to take one challenge in front of you. And the challenge is 30 days English speaking challenge. Why I am taking this challenge, I am going to talk about it. From the last few days, I am watching myself that I am not consistent with this language. I am losing my confidence while speaking in English. Whatever I get from the last 1 year, and from the last few days, I am not consistent. I am breaking my consistency. That's why I'm losing that. As a homemaker, as a mother, I am learning this language, and I don't want to lose my confidence. That's why I try to be consistent in that. So that's why I try to take 30 days English speaking challenge in front of you. So today is the day one. In today's day one, I want to speak this language in front of you. If you are also a learner like me, you want to practice this language with yourself, so how you can start it. So today is the day one, and here I want to talk about myself, like my introduction I want to tell you. So hello everyone, my full name is Neetu Singh Thagel. I belongs to Madhya Pradesh, but I was born and raised in Delhi. I have done my 10th class, 12th class from CBSE board. I have done my graduation from Delhi University. Now I am learning this language. I am a homemaker. Plus I am a mother of one kid. And right now my son, he is 3 years old. My husband, he works in Delhi. So that's why I live in Delhi with my husband. My hobbies are if I talk about my hobbies, I love dancing. I love listening to the music, and I love to visit historical places, historical temples. From the last 2 years, I visited Haridwar, Agra. I visited a lot of places. I visited in Delhi also. Yeah, but in hobbies, I love to do traveling also. I love to do planting also. These days, I have few plants at my home. I love to do gardening also. And why I am learning this language? Because everyone knows how much English is important. But when I started my English spoken journey, the purpose was only to make my son to give to my son English involvement. That's why I started. But once I get to merge in this language, at that time I get to know, Neetu, if you will learn this language, the benefits of you will update yourself. In the future, you will get new opportunity, you can go for it. If you will learn this language, if you're going anywhere, you are upgrading yourself, right? Together, I'm giving my son English environment also. So that's why I'm learning this language. As a homemaker, as a mother, I don't want to be in this wall. I want to go outside of the world also. Through the social media, I am learning this language, and through the social media, I want to motivate some homemakers, mother, please come and learn this language. If you are also learning this language, so do comments in the please comments me how you are learning, how can I improve my English. If you have best suggestion, definitely I will go for it, and I will try to improve my fluency also. If you have any question, you please comments me. I will try to give you that answer also. And what should I say more? So today is the day one. That's why I'm very, very confused that what should I speak in today's video. Yeah, that's all I wanted to share. If you are also a beginner like me, so you can follow this video, and this video is going for very helpful for you. Okay, so bye bye guys. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye.